So you want to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours worth of watch time, but you don't know how to do it because you just got started. Bear with me. I got something that might help you. You feel me? Because I was in that situation and I know what to do. I finally got my 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, let's get it. Today, I'm going to give you the blueprints that helped me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers in 4,000 hours. And it's very simple. It's more simple than what you think. Do you know what I mean? And I got it all here on my phone. Do you know what I mean? On my second phone. By the way, I got a new phone now on it. So yeah, I'm going to use this. Why am I so clumsy? I'm going to use this to basically give you the steps. It's very easy, simple, but simple does not mean easy.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
But you will get it. Number one, you have to experiment. As a new YouTuber here, first of all, you don't know what really draws your audience to your channel. Or sometimes you pick a niche here, but you have to make different videos to see what type of video is actually attracting them. For example, I used to do Durack, I still do Durack videos and all that. I used to do waves video more specifically. But then one day I was like, oh, I made my own Durack out of a t-shirt. And that video started getting bare views, a lot of views. So I decided to do more. And then after that, obviously, I couldn't keep on doing that. I experimented again, Nike head tie. Then obviously, people started liking that, so I done more, and I got more views, more subscribers. People was like asking me more, do this, do that, how to tie it. Do you know what I mean? Then,
guess what, bitch? Coronavirus.
What did I do? I bought a pair of shoe, then I reviewed it. Yeah, a pair of Nike, and I reviewed it. And then people still just loved it, do you know what I mean? So I kept on doing more reviews. And then one time I did, how do you call it? A reaction to some French rap. People loved it, so I did more of that. So you have to see, amongst all of your videos, I'm sure there's that one video that at least got like 500 views. For us, for small YouTubers, that's a lot. So you have to see what works and just avoid what does not work. Do you know what I'm saying? Once you find your niche, the next thing you have to do is to find the topics that are relevant in that niche. For example, when waves was popping, people wanted to know how to get the 360s or how to, I don't know, how to get waves all over. Do you know what I mean? So what I use for that is an app, a software called TubeBuddy, and basically it allows me to see a lot of things like related to YouTube and Google search. So when you type a keyword, for example, shoes, Nike shoes review, it gives you like a score, like the search volume, competitiveness, and a lot of other things. Do you know what I mean? And basically that helps you to see if that video you're gonna make is actually worth making. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So whatever your niche is, go have different topics and see what's popping. You know what I'm saying? I'll suggest you to download TubeBuddy. I'll put my code here, and you know what I'm saying, you support me, but at the same time this software helps you. It does a lot more things, such as telling you what videos are monetized, seeing your competition. Do you know what I mean? Literally kind of spying on your competition, basically getting tags like YouTube tags, automating certain cards at the end, so many things. Analytics, in-depth analytics here to the last through some islands. Number 3, use tags. People say that a lot here, but again, I didn't know how to use tags, and this is where TubeBuddy helped me a lot, because it basically has a selection of like all the tags that are related and that have the highest score for the video title you make. Do you understand? And also TubeBuddy gives you like a title something that analyzes your title to make it the most efficient as possible. So basically tags and title, basically. Do you know what I mean? Number 4, you need to post more. Do you know what I'm saying? Like a lot of people here, they think you make like 5 videos within a year of doing YouTube, or 5 videos in like 5 months here, or 1 video a month here. It's not enough. It's not enough, bruv. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Because you need to, like, as Think Media said here, you need to trigger the algorithm. Do you know what I'm saying? For people to be drawn to your channel here, there needs to be a lot of your content out there, like a lot. Do you know what I mean? Like a lot. So that it's like a chain, it's like a snowball effect. Like they watch one video, then they watch the next, and boom, your thing gets, you know what I'm saying? Your thing gets, you know what I'm saying? Your thing starts popping, you feel me? Yo guys, if you want one of these head ties, make sure you go down in the description and use my code TENAMSCODE7 to get 10% off on these head ties, designer head ties, you feel me? So yeah. So what I'll recommend here is every week you post at least 4 times. 4 times a week. Do you know what I'm saying? During the confinement, I used to post like 5 to 6 times a week. And that's no cap. I think one week I've done 7 posts a week. And don't just post anything, don't just post for the sake of posting. Post quality content. At least to your liking, quality content. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, we can always do better. 5, which is very important. Number 5. That's one of the most important things there. Engage with the audience, with your audience. People subscribe to you. There are people that like you, they like your content, they like your personality, you know what I'm saying? They mess with you. So when someone writes something in the comment section, talk to them, have a conversation, like their videos, and especially listen to them, because they will give you an idea. They might be like, oh, could you do this, please? Listen, this is a business at the same time, so your customer is king. Your customer, who the people who watch your video, they trust you, do you know what I'm saying? They put their faith in you. So you can't let them down, you know what I'm saying, to a certain extent. So basically, make sure you talk to them, make sure you take care of them. Sometimes talk to them by email, exchange numbers. Like most of us YouTubers, I'm not a superstar. I'm just a regular guy, fam. What do you mean? I'm just a regular guy. I live a normal life. I'm not too good for them. Unless like it's weird people or something, like, do you know what I mean? But yeah, talk to them, engage with them, and everything will be blessed. Oh yeah, literally, I had to wake up the next day to add this part to the video. Basically, in order to get your 4,000 hours, you have to make your videos longer. That's the first thing. But not only make it longer, but also make it more engaging, more entertaining. Do you know what I mean? Add a bit of comedy, a bit of humor, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes cut the music, do you know what I'm saying? Add in the background, like do certain things that will break the monotony, do you know what I mean? I don't always make 10 minutes videos, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to stretch out something that can't be stretched, you feel me? Like I don't want to just waffle in my videos when I can provide you the value. If I can make it long, I'll make it long, because everybody wants that bread. Because when you get longer videos, you can put more ads. But the thing is, it is what it is. If you can't stretch it, don't stretch it. But what I do here is that most of my videos are at least 6 to 7 minutes. That's what I try. That's what I aim for. Do you know what I mean? Or 5 minutes at least. Do you know what I mean? But the longer your videos are, the better it is. You feel me? So strive for that too. Your videos longer. Do you know what I mean? And it could also be good, because that means, like, for example, whatever your, I don't know, because me, I do reviews, I give as much information as I can. But you might do comedy, so you might, I don't know, make it long, make it like a short, I don't know, like a movie or something, you know what I'm saying? Or like a 10 minutes skit. Is a skit? Yeah, it's a skit. See? But yeah. I'm so handsome. I was probably still a guy, bruv. But you're lucky I'm a good guy. Those are the steps that will help you get 1,000 subscribers 4,000 hours and your monetization. You feel me? Start making that bread. That YouTube molala. You feel me? So yeah, guys. Obviously, use TubeBuddy. You know, most of the features are free. You can basically upgrade to different levels. You know what I'm saying? The level I would recommend you is the star level, which is $20 a month. Do you know what I mean? But it's worth it. Do you know what I'm saying? It's really, really worth it because it's helped me a lot to grow my channel. Do you know what I mean? And use my code to get a little discount. You know what I'm saying? Get a little discount and help support the channel as well. It was a boy Tenem School, and I'm out.